Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pasternak token. Now this token just got at least a couple very big central exchange listings starting today. Very popular project. We're going to go over the Pasternak token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token you can find on SolScan. This token is on the Solana blockchain. You can find the chart on Bird Eye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. Now, this token was just announced that they're going to get a bunch of central exchange listings today. So it says the full name of the token is Ben Pasternak, and then it has brackets clout.me, it says. And they have 11,562 holders so far. Looks like they started out with a billion supply for tokens. Right now, the token amount, the current supply, 999,997,340 tokens. Token price is about 4.63 cents. Today, obviously, that's going to fluctuate because of how popular this token is. It says there's a 2% transaction fee. So if you are going to get this, that's kind of rare for Solana tokens to have transaction fees these days. That used to be a bigger thing. I used to have to talk about slippage all the time in videos, and now these Solana tokens, especially these pump.fund tokens, people are, creating them with a billion supply, no fees. But this one, it says transaction fee or transfer fee, it says is 2%. 9 decimal places on this token. Right now, their market cap, $46,365,566. So huge project, over 11,000 holders. It looks like they're also listed on CoinGecko here. You can find a CoinGecko link, GMGN link, DEX Screener, their Rug Check, Gecko Terminal, Bird Eye, Bubble Maps, DEX Tools link, and Photon link, all on their SolScan page. So check all that out there. Now, this token just got a couple brand new central exchange listings starting today. So one of them here, the Pasternak token, Ben Pasternak, got listed on Lbank January 24th, which is today, at 8 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed. And this token also got listed on Mexc Global and is also listed for perpetual futures on Mexc Global. That started an hour after 9 a.m. UTC time on Mexc Global. So those are two different ways to get the token, Lbank or Mexc. And you could also trade futures on Mexc if you like that. But I mean, futures are volatile. You can make more off futures quickly, but you can also lose more on futures quickly. So just be aware of that if you're going to look up some tutorials first on futures before you try that out. But anyways, if you wanted to just get this token here, you can get it off Mexc. And if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. So you're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Pasternak, and then simply just buy the token. So it says here that Token information, the new Pump Platforms Clout Founder Issued Token. So that is what Mexc Global says this token is. Now, they have the contract address all over the place on all these listing announcements. You can get this token also in a decentralized way. So if you wanted to get it off, say, Radium, there is a Radium pool. And first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you'd find Radium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, you would trade your Sol for this token. Now, let's see if they actually have the official webpage listed on here. So it says their websites. Well, the best place, obviously, is the SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener chart, but just make sure you have the right contract address. Now, their webpage is just clout.me, it says here. So that's what Mexc was talking about, and it's in the name of the token, Ben Pasternak, brackets clout.me. It says this token pair was just created 9 hours ago on Radium, and they have a $1 million liquidity pool in Radium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.76% of that total liquidity pool is locked and burned. So they do have a rug check as well for the Ben Pasternak token here. And it says the Radium locker has 4% of the tokens and top holder 1.7% of the tokens. So there's no like giant whales or anything like that. So that's good to see. So you can go over to clout.me and check that out there. Right now their market cap $60.8 million. Wow. Token price is up to 5.75 cents per token. It says that this token in the past 24 hours has a 24-hour trading volume of $284,000. And they've had $120.6 million worth of 24-hour trade volume, which is pretty insane. And they've had 119,592 transactions in the past 24 hours. So this token is just going bananas here. Go check out clout.me. And yeah, so this is brought to you, it looks like, by Ben Pasternak, according to all these other sites like Lbank and Mexc Global. Brand new token, exploding. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.